Hello guys, it's me, No Image, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Lego butterfly knife. Okay, so you're going to need all of these parts. So you're going to need 3 13 pole Technic pieces. I think it's 13. Whatever. However much this is. Get 3 of them. Gonna need 2 of these Technic things. Also, if you have ones that are like this that don't have this, you can also use. But I have these, and that's all I could find. And then you're going to need 2 of these. I couldn't find a second one for this, so I'm going to be using this. But make sure that they're like loose. So like to tell if they're loose, put it on something and see if it just flops around. And then like the difference between like the hard ones, see, it won't. Like if I let go, it won't flop down. Okay, so first I'm going to take these and take the hard piece, put it in the middle. Make sure to specifically put it in with this piece going into the middle. And then take these pieces, do the same thing on the outside. And then take your blade, whatever you want to use, but put one block sticking out. One hole sticking out. See how I have one hole? And then after that, put your handles on. But you don't have to have extra holes out. And then take the second piece, put it on, and it's done. For better performance, I prefer taking a whole bunch of flat pieces like that, take them, put them. And like that. Way better performance. Do it all around. Okay, I finished plating it. And your Lego butterfly knife is done. Make sure to like and subscribe because I mean, like, why not? I'm not begging for subs.